cook things?
Hi, everybody! Okay, we are back for another Weekly Wonder. And this week, we are going to make a solar oven.
That big s'mores.
Wait. Yes. For the solar oven, you'll need a pizza box, foil, saran wrap, or these page protectors, dark paper, a skewer or a pencil or something. And if you want to make s'mores with it, you will need marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers. Okay, we have our solar oven. We have our lid. We try to pull the saran wrap as tight as possible, so that's covering.
So, we're gonna see if we can cook s'mores. And we gotta hurry because the chocolate melts faster than almost anything in our house.
So now we're going to put it out here. We are going to check on it every hour. We think we're going to leave it out here for about 3 hours.
We're gonna see how this one did. So the chocolate is pretty melted. And the marshmallow didn't cook very well. And now we're gonna check the other ones. Break it open and
This is a s'more. This is very squishy over here. This is like a golden s'more.
And you know,
See, look. It's a perfect s'more.
squishy.
Okay,
It's very,
let's pick up the pizza boxes. Let's take them inside.
very hot.
Okay, and now we eat them. Oh, yum. They're so good.
This is awesome.
Oh, wow.
This week we made s'mores using solar ovens. Why do solar ovens work? The way the solar oven works is UV rays, those are the sun's, those UV rays are the things that cook. The marshmallow on the plate is very tiny, and only so many UV rays can hit the marshmallow. If my hand is the marshmallow and my other hand is the UV rays, it will be like, whoo, 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 whoo. And it only cooks a little bit every time, so it'll be a little squishy, but not enough to be like a s'more. Whereas inside the box, like it'll be like, since there's so much more surface area, it'll be like whiz, ding ding ding, whiz, whiz, and it'll go inside the box a lot more. It has plastic wrap and that traps the heat inside so it gets hotter. Also, it's sitting on black paper and black paper absorbs the heat. We decided to put the marshmallow out there without the solar oven because that's called a control. It's how we compare how well our solar oven works. When doing experiments, it's important to have a control. A control is something that doesn't change, so you can compare it to the real test. The box collects a lot more UV rays than the tiny little s'more.
Whew. Today was a hot day, and I'm glad we had s'mores at the end of it. Now, we didn't show this, but our first go with the ovens did not turn out very well. We had ants get into our s'mores. We also had the wind blowing over the flap and blowing over our ovens. That's why we put rocks on them the next time. And that's part of the engineering process as well. You see how sometimes your first designs don't work very well, and you think of ways that you can improve them. That is going to be your assignment this week. Improve on our solar oven. Can you think of ways that it might work a little bit better? We want to know what changes you would make. I can't wait to see your ideas, and we will post them on Friday. Bye!